Welcome back to a new episode about the Phpinfo function. This will be a pretty short episode, but I think it's pretty useful to show you what the Phpinfo function actually is. Maybe later on you want to have a quick look at your PHP installation, or you want to identify a configuration problem. This can be done with a function called phpinfo, followed by a set of parentheses and a semicolon. So if I save it and refresh the browser, you can see a large amount of information just appeared on my screen. So let me make it bigger. Let me zoom in. It could happen that PHP updates its version, but your local host isn't updated, or your XAMPP, and this can be seen right inside your Phpinfo. So you can see that my PHP my XAMPP is built on July 10th, 2017. And we can scroll down a little bit. I really don't know what most of the things mean, but there are a couple important configuration settings right here. You can see that PHP 5.6 is running on my Apache right now. You can find my server root. So in my application folder, there is a folder XAMPP, and in XAMPP files you can find my server root. You can see that the HTTP host is localhost, of course. You can see the user agent that I'm running right now. So I'm running Chrome. You can see the requested URI, which is the PHP course folder that we created. And the script name also prints out the file that we put inside our course. You can get the HTTP header information, the core PHP version 5.6.31. And if I scroll down a little bit more, you can see that the datetime function, where we will be focusing later on, is enabled, so we can use the function. And you can see my default time zone, which is in Europe, Berlin. Well, it's Amsterdam, but it's pretty much the same. So whenever we use the datetime function, the time will actually be in Europe and not in another place. And yeah, it can see whenever the sun rises. You can see that FTP is enabled. And you can see which type of images are enabled. So PNG, JPEG, a GIF are all enabled. Well, there's a lot of information right here, and even the encryption versions are available. The MySQL, MySQLi, which is a better version than MySQL. Well, the list keeps going on and on. And you can see all the PHP variables available. And we will be discussing most of these. And well, PHP credits, of course. Thank you for watching this episode, and I will be seeing you in the next one.